Now let's take a quick look at the second step in learning to conjugate Latin verbs, adding connecting vowels. To understand this step in the process of writing verbs, you will need your blue verb chart. Pause the video now and get it from your notes or the teacher, or use the electronic copy attached to this lesson. Now that you have your blue chart, I want you to focus on the bottom right corner at the box labeled Connecting Vowels for Present System. Notice how they are organized by verb conjugation and tense. But what is a verb conjugation? A conjugation is just a fancy name for a group of verbs. To determine the conjugation of a verb, you will need to look at the infinitive. Remember, when you look at a vocabulary list, the infinitive is always the second principal part. The last three letters of the infinitive are the infinitive ending. They're the ones we remove to get the base. But before you remove them and get the base, take a look at how they are spelled. The spelling of the infinitive ending is what will identify conjugation. If the infinitive ending is ARE, the verb belongs to first conjugation. If the infinitive ending is ERE and the first principal part ends with EO, that verb belongs to second conjugation. If the infinitive ends with ERE and the first principal part just has the letter O, it is a verb from third conjugation. If the infinitive ends with ERE and the first principal part ends with IO, we say this is a third IO verb. And finally, if the infinitive ends with IRE, it belongs to fourth conjugation.